Welcome to the self-learning modules of NCPIR. In this video, we are discussing the aptitude topic average. So far, we have discussed a lot of problems on average, and in the previous video, we discussed averages on ages. Now we'll go with discussing about the varying averages, how average will change with addition of removal of a person. So here's the first problem. The average age of 10 persons who are learning yoga is 32 years. When the age of the instructor is added, the average age becomes 34 years. Find the age of the instructor. So here, as usual, we have got only three elements. One is the average, and then we have number of items and the total. Okay, total, or we call it as sum. Both are same. So now, first one is 10 persons. So number of persons will be 10, and their average is given as 32. So the average is 32. So the total will be 32 into 10, 320. So this 320 is the total age of all 10 persons who are learning yoga. Now what they are doing is they are including the instructor. So when they include the instructor, the number of person will become 11, and the average is given as 34. Okay, so it will be total will be 34 into 11. So this is 4. You have 7. 374 will be the total age. So this is the total age of 10%. This is the total age of 10% plus instructor. So the difference 54 will give me the age of the instructor. So this is the answer, which is age of the instructor. So hope you have understood this one. Now we'll move on to the second problem. The average weight of a class of 24 students is 35 kg. If the weight of the teacher is included, the average increases by 400 kg. Find the weight of the teacher. So it's a similar thing. Now they are using weight instead of ages. So again, I'm going to take the same thing, average, number of people, and total. Okay, so here it's given as 35 kg is the average. Okay, so 35 is the average, and this is the average number of students will be 24. So total will be 24 into 35. So you get, suppose a 22 10, that is 120, and 24 into 3 you will get 72, 0, 4 and 8. So the total weight of all the 24 students will be 840. Now what happens is it is increasing by 400 grams. So that is 35.4, and the number of people is 25. So this is 35.4 into 25. Okay, so this again we can do it in a simpler way. Just multiply this by 100. 35.4, add 2 zeros. You can keep omit 1 0. 3540 will be the multiplication of 100. So all you need to do is, like, if it is like, instead of multiplying by 25, I'm multiplying by 100 by 4. So I multiplied by 100, now it is by 4. So 8 times I'll have 32. Again I'll have 34. Again 8 times. It's this one, 3540. Need to divide it by 4. 8 times I have 32. Again 34. Again 8 times I'll have 32 and 20. So I'll get 885. So 885 will be the total weight. So again the difference 45 kg will be the age of the, will be the weight of the teacher. Okay, so this, why we added it as 0.4 is because this is 400 grams. If it is like 4 kg, then we'll add it as 35 plus 4. So this is very important in this one, adding the number of persons. Okay, now we move on to the third problem. The average age of a mother and her 6 children is 12 years. If the mother's age is excluded, the average reduces by 5 years. How old is the mother? Now, in the previous two problems, we see teacher's age is included or the instructor's age is included. Now they are excluding something. Let's see how this works. Again, the same style. You have average, you have number of persons, and you have sum. Okay. So the average age of a mother and her 6 children. So mother and 6 means the total number of people will be 7. That is 12. So 12 into 7, total will be 84 years. If the mother's age is excluded, so mother's age is excluded means number of persons will become 6. The average reduces by 5, meaning 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 will be 7. So the total age will be 42. So this is the total age of 6 children. This is the total age of 6 children plus mother. Again, take the difference. It will be 42 years. So the age of mother will be 42. Okay. Age of the mother. Understood this? Again, I am repeating. First, it is given 12 years is the average. So 12 is the average and number of people will be 7. That is very important. This is age of mother and 6 children. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 12 into 7, we got 84. Now when the mother's age is excluded, so number of persons will become 6 and average will be is reducing by 5. So 12 minus 5 will give you 7. 7 into 6 will give me 42. So after subtracting, I'll get 42 years as the age of the mother. The next problem. The average weight of 8 men is increased by 1.5 kg when one of them weighing 65 kg is replaced by a new man. What is the weight of the new man? Okay, so this is actually man here. This new man, right? The average weight of 8 men. So again here average, number of persons, and sum, 3 things. So here it is given 8 men. So number of persons is 8. Okay, is increased by 1.5 kg when one of them weighing 65 kg is replaced by a new man. What is the weight of the new man? Now here in this problem they didn't give us what is the average of the 8 men. So I am going to assume that average of 8 men as x. Okay, I am going to assume the average of 8 men as x. This is my assumption. Be very careful, follow me carefully. This is my assumption. Okay, let us assume x is the average of 8 men. So what will be the total age? It will be 8x. Now it is increased by 1.5 kg. So this x becomes x plus 1.5. X becomes x plus 1.5 when one of them weighing 65 kg is replaced. Now here the number of people is not changing. It's like one person is going out and one person is coming in. So the number will remain the same. So here what will be the total weight will be 8 into x plus 1.5. So that will be 8x plus 8 into 1, 8, 8 into 0.5 will be 12. 4. 8x plus 12 kg. So here the total is 8x kg. Here the total is 8x plus 12 kg. So meaning the total weight has increased by 12 kg. The total weight has increased by 12 kg. Now why the total weight has increased by 12 kg, or who is responsible for this addition of 12 kg? The new person who came in. Okay, the new person who came in. So now what is the weight of the person who moved out? The weight of the person moved out is 65 kg. So the new person is 12 kg more than 65 kg. So 65 plus 12, you will get 77 kg will be the weight of the person, or the weight of the new man who came into the team. Okay, so now again I am repeating this problem. I started with assuming, let us assume the average age of the 8 people, average weight of the 8 people be x kg. So total weight will be 8x kg. Okay, now what happens when a person is taken out and the other person is brought in? The average is increasing by 1.5. So that is this x plus 1.5. So here the number of person will remain the same because one person is moving out and one person is coming in. So as usual, if I take the product, this is 8x plus 1.5, meaning 8x plus 12 kg. So the total is, here it is 8x, here it is 8x plus 12. The total has increased by 12 kg. Now who is responsible for this 12 kg increase? The new person. Or in other words, the new person is 12 kg more than the person who moved out. So the weight of the person who moved out is given, that is 65 kg. And all we need to do is just add this 12, you get 77. That is the weight of the new person. Here's one more. There are 24 students in a class. One of them, who was 18 years old, left the class and his place was filled by a newcomer. The average of the class reduced by 1 month. Find the age of the newcomer. Okay, so here again it's a little different. They have given same thing, but only average we have, and number of item, and total is what we need to look into it. So the number of people is 24. So this is before and after replacement, it's going to be the same. One of them was 18 years old, left, and his place was filled by a newcomer. So simple, what you will take is, here take the average age as x months. Okay, remember this is x month. Now why am I taking this as x month? Because it is reducing by 1 month. Okay, it is reducing by 1 month. So I am going to take average age as x months. So what will be the total age of the students before replacement? It will be 24x. Now what happens when the replacement, that is one guy who is 18 years old, is moving out? So this will become x minus 1. Okay, in the previous case it was x plus 1.5, here it is x minus 1. So the new total will be 24x minus 24. 24x minus 24, meaning the total age, okay, or the total has reduced by 24 months. That is very important. Don't say 24 years. It has reduced by 24 months. So 24 months meaning is 2 year. 24 months is 2 year, meaning the total age is reduced by 2 years. So here the difference between these two totals, before and after that replacement, is 2 years. So the person who moved out is 18 year. The new person who came in is actually 2 years less than this person. So 2 years less than, that means his age is 16 years. Okay, so I'm starting assuming this as x month. So 24 people, 24x months will be the total year, and the average is reducing by 1 month. So that is what I'm denoting it by x minus 1 into 24. So finally I get here 24x minus 24. So this 24 I'm converting it into year. 24 month is 2 year. So meaning the new person who came in is actually 2 years less than the person who moved out, and that will be 16 years. So that's the way you solve this problem. So if you have any doubts or queries, please post it in the discussion forum, or you can send a mail to rameshraja.ncpr@nehrucolleges.com. So with that, we conclude part 9 of average. Please don't forget to take the quiz before you move to the next module. Thanks for watching the video.